Hi, I'm Marie Kellett here from OK Sealer, division of OK International. We're right here in Marlborough, Massachusetts. And today I'm here to show you our Supersealer SS2. It's a hot air sealer. And what you're seeing in front of you is a Supersealer SS2, an MK1 trimmer, a jet flow, and a BBY 100. They're both the conveyor and the sealer come on motorized pedestals, and we have a stainless steel base with glocking casters. Now this sealer comes in many configurations in the sense that you can have it washed down, you can have it painted, and now we have IP69K, which we're really excited about. So now I'm going to tell you how the machine works, okay? Basically it plugs into any 110 volt wall unit. If you got 220 volt, 50 hertz, we can do that. Whatever configuration of power you need, we can do it. How this machine works is it uses hot air, and we're going to go inside the machine now and show you how that works. It's a hot air sealer. You have a fan in the back that's bringing in ambient air through this manifold. There's some tubes here on the side, then feeds into these tubes. That air then feeds over the cartridge heaters. Each one of these heater housings has a cartridge heater in it. And that air is heated up to the temperature you have set. So the bag comes through and hot air is blown on it, hot air is blown on it, hot air, and then it passes between two seal wheels. It's very simple, it's very low maintenance, that's why it's so popular. Also, this unit has a variable speed drive for the conveyor and the sealer. And we're now going to go into the back of the sealer and show you the variable speed drive. So these are the two drives we now have in the back of the sealer. And you can see this is the sealer drive, and this drives, this conveyor slaves off the sealer. So we're going to do this, we're going to turn it, and then you can watch this one change, see? So we have 48 and 48. And we'll turn it back. 35 and 35. Pretty cool. The other way this machine works is we have your on button, your off button, your temperature controller goes up and down, so you know, depending on the thickness of your material, your e-stop and your lockout. Also what you got here is your handle for your sealer. Get that motorized pedestal on both the conveyor and the sealer. So here we go, look at that, touch of a button, voila. And a touch of a button, there it goes down. And we're gonna do that with the sealer conveyor, up and then down. And we're gonna roll this back, it's on wheels, that makes it nice and easy. The other thing about this sealer is it can come in the sense of how you want it mounted. If you want it mounted this way or on its side or at an angle, you can get conveyors that are longer, that are wider, that have compression. We can configure the sealer with any package, okay? So whatever you need, the sealer's the core, and then we go from there. Also, this sealer is a hot air sealer. So it blows the air, as I showed you previously, how the air blows onto the film. So you can do foils, you can do paper with poly lining, we can do poly. What I'm gonna do is turn the jet flow up, right? So we can see the jet flow working. And we're gonna turn that up. And so let me show you a couple bags being sealed here. This one right now, I have a 6mm seal wheel in here, 6mm flat. Okay, that's what I'm showing right now. You can also have a knurl, you can have 9mm flat, 9mm knurl, or crosshatch. Those are the configurations you can get the seal wheels in. Here's a great seal from the Supersealer, and we're going to do another one for you. Another great seal by the Supersealer. Thanks for watching our video. We look forward to working with you. Thanks again.